Hi traders, this is Gomati Shankar. Welcome to today's Stock of the Day episode 3. There was a very good response for episode 1 and 2 and many people were inquiring how I am selecting these stocks. And many people were also commenting that please select a stock today which is going to be trending for tomorrow so that we can take the trade. So what I will tell is, if you want to know how I am selecting a stock and if you want to know the list of stocks which is going to be a good trending for this week, then you can join my price action trading with KGS in my YouTube channel, and there you will get a list of stocks every week. Many people have joined this price action trading with KGS and there was a good reviews and response from the students. So if you want to know which stock to trade for today, tomorrow and for this entire week, then you can join price action trading with KGS. Today a company which I have selected for stock of the day is Sun Pharma. So this is weekly chart of Sun Pharma. You can clearly see Sun Pharma is in a strong uptrend. This is the supports taken by Sun Pharma in weekly chart and this is a trend line, and now you can clearly see Sun Pharma is trading on a higher note compared with the previous trend line. Now the Sun Pharma is comfortably trading above the trend line levels and it is forming a new trend line. So this is the new trend line which is formed in Sun Pharma as per weekly chart. Now I am going back to daily chart. In daily chart you can clearly witness Sun Pharma is in a ultra bullish mode, and that is the reason it has formed a new trend line. Now we can clearly witness that Sun Pharma is taking a support at the resistance level. We can clearly see Sun Pharma was taking a lot of resistance in this area for nearly 2 months, and now this resistance has turned into a support and the candles were consolidating around this support resistance area. You all know very well, if resistance turns into a support, that is a sign of bullishness, right? So we were expecting a bullish rally in Sun Pharma. Now for taking a entry, for taking the right entry point, we are going to 1 hour chart. Now in 1 hour chart, I want the candles to bounce from this support zone. Hence I am drawing a falling trend line. So this is a good falling trend line. I have connected this resistance along with this resistance. You can even draw a channel. Even if you are drawing a channel, it looks perfectly fine. A parallel channel. Clear? So even you can draw channel, that is optional. So the candles were taking a resistance at this falling trend line. Once this trend line is broken and once the candles are sustaining above this trend line, it is good for taking long position. So yesterday Sun Pharma was breaking the trend line, but as you can see, R1 and previous day high was not broken. Same scenario happened yesterday in Tata Steel and the same scenario has happened today in Sun Pharma. You can clearly see this trend line was broken in Sun Pharma 1 hour chart, and you can see the same trend line in 5 minutes chart also. Though the candle has broken the trend line in 5 minutes chart, but R1 and previous day high was not broken because the bulls are not having the momentum yesterday. To gain the energy, the bulls are retracing back towards the trend line and also towards daily CPR. And now the bulls have charged their batteries and now they are getting ready for a bull rally. Now today also I am anticipating a bull rally in Sun Pharma and we are getting narrow CPR also. Whenever there is a narrow CPR, the market will be trending, and the candles broke R1 and previous day high at the starting itself comfortably. Now the candles are breaking R1 and previous day high, and then there is a small retracement, profit booking or small retracement or short covering, whatever it is. And after that you can clearly witness once again the market is bouncing back and it is breaking the R1 and previous day high. Generally, when you are applying R1 and previous day high, don't take entry in the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It is better to wait for 30 to 45 minutes and then follow R1 previous day high breakout. So you can clearly see the candles were breaking the day high, the candles were breaking the R1 and previous day high. So this bull candle is a valid entry point in Sun Pharma with the stop loss below R1 and previous day high. Your stop loss is below R1 and previous day high. If you feel your stop loss is huge, then what you can do is place your stop loss at least little bit below previous day high. Okay. Instead of placing your stop loss below R1 and previous day high, place your stop loss below previous day high. Okay, so exactly around around R1 levels. Okay, and what will be a target? So you are entering in this bull candle. Your first target should be R2, R3 50% and exit at your first target, and your second target will be R3 levels. Okay, so it is better to exit at the first target itself because very rarely the candles will reach R3 and R4 levels. Even if you are waiting to book your profit at R3, no problem. Once you see the weakness in candles couple of time, here the candle did not reach R3 level, you are still holding your position for target R3. Now second time also the candles did not reach R3 and once again the candles are coming below R2 levels. So this is the area you exit your trade. So you are not exiting your trade in a loss situation. You are just exiting at cost to cost because your entry is in this bull candle. So you are exiting around the same level when the candles are coming below R2. So you are exiting at cost to cost. Okay. If you are booking your profit at R2 and R3 50%, then you are profitable. Your trade is over. But only if you are waiting for your target till R3, then your target is not met. So what you have to do is you have to book your you have to exit your trade, book a little profit, or you have to exit at cost to cost when the candles are closing below R2 levels, right? So this is the trade which happened in Sun Pharma. Okay, so many people are asking how I am selecting the stocks in the comment section. I am analyzing Sun Pharma in front of you, right? Based on weekly chart and then based on daily chart and then based on hourly chart. So this is how I am analyzing stocks every day and I am selecting a high probable stock. Now, if you want me to do pre-market analysis and if you want stock recommendations from me, then you can join my price action trading with KGS. There you will get stock recommendations every week. So today's stock of the day award goes to Sun Pharma. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let us meet tomorrow and let us see how the market respects our CPR indicator. Thank you. Bye.